Hey, good day everyone. Today, in the first episode of our series, we're gonna implement some things that we need for our game. So, they're already imported in my project here, but I'm gonna show you what we need. So, we're gonna need the animation starter pack. We're gonna also use briefly the dynamic volumetric sky. It was a free asset from the marketplace. I don't know if it's still free. No worries if you do not have it. You don't need it for this project. I'm just gonna use it to easily select day or night in my game. I'm not gonna use it for anything else. Um, and we're gonna need the military weapon dark pack. So to get all of that, we go to the Epic launcher and we'll go to the marketplace. So as I said, the dynamic volumetric sky, it's only to select day or night. There's a lot more to do with this, but in this series, I'm not gonna use it for anything other than day or night. So if you do not have it, no worries, you can just follow along without any problem. So we're gonna need the FPS pack. So basically, we're gonna need the animation starter pack to get some animation. So we're gonna search for the animation starter pack and we're gonna click on this and we're gonna add it to our project. So it should be compatible with the last version. So this one here and add to the project. It's already added, so I'm not gonna do anything else with this, but you can just click add to the project. After that, we're gonna need some weapon. So we're gonna search for the military weapon dark. I'm gonna use the military weapon dark. There you go. This one here. This one come with some animation and sound already, so just make this a little bit easier. So we're gonna do same add to the project. If your project don't show here, no worries. Just click show all project, go all the way down and select the project that you have. So mine here for this series, I call that YouTube FPS. And here, if it's red, no worries, click on this and select the last one available, which should be 4.27 and just add it to your project. So when it's added to your project, you should have everything that you need to start. So the animation starter pack to get the basic animation for our game, the dynamic volumetric sky that we're just gonna use for day or night cycle. But if you can't get it, no worries, you don't need it. And the military weapon dark for having access to different weapon in our game like an assault rifle, a sniper, knife, grenade launcher, shotgun, and a pistol. So that's pretty much this. So we do have everything we need to start the project. So I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.